Hi children, in 10th class, first chapter, you have learned exercise 1.1, page number 5, 4 sums completed, 1, 2, 3, 3 sums completed. Now, we are going to fourth problem. What is fourth problem? Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Again I am reading. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. 9m plus 8. Cube of any positive integers. ఏవైనా పాజిటివ్ ఇంటిజర్స్ తీసుకుని వాటి క్యూబ్ చేస్తే 9m plus 1 ఆర్ 9m plus 8 రూపంలో ఉంటాయని చూపించమంటున్నాడు. సో listen careful all of you. This is also important problem. Page number 5. Page number 5. Let A be any positive integer. Let A be any positive integer and B is equal to 3. This B is equal to 3. By Euclid's division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R by Euclid's division lemma A is equal to BQ plus R and condition 0 less than or equal to R less than B. 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Now B is equal to 3. B is equal to 3. So A is equal to B means 3. B means 3. 3Q plus R. 3Q plus R. Where R is equal to already explained in the previous problem. This condition is very important. R value is less 0 less than or equal to R less than B. That means R value అనేది 0 కి ఈక్వల్ గా అయినా ఉండాలి, 0 కి ఎక్కువగా ఉండాలి. అలాగే దేనికి తక్కువగా ఉండాలి? B వాల్యూ తక్కువగా ఉండాలి. B వాల్యూకి తక్కువగా ఉండాలి. అంటే ఇప్పుడు B అంటే ఎంత? B అంటే 3. B అంటే 3 కాబట్టి వేర్ R is equal to 0 ని స్టార్ట్ చేసుకుని 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Okay. Now case 1. Case 1 ఏం తీసుకుందాం? If R is equal to 0. If R is equal to 0. R is equal to 0. R is equal to 0. Substitute in A is equal to 3q plus R. 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 A is equal to 3q plus R means 0. R means 0. 0. A is equal to 0 is added to 3q. Again we get the same 3q. So A is equal to 3q. Now cube on both sides. Cube on both sides. A cube is equal to A cube is equal to 3q whole cube. 3q whole cube. 3q whole cube. 3q whole cube means 3q into 3q into 3q. That means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27. Q, Q into Q into Q. Q, Q is equal to 27 Q cube. 27 Q cube. Again I am telling this is 3q into 3q into 3q. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Cube ఉంటే 3 times into చేసుకుంటాం కదా. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Q into Q into Q. Q power 3 or Q cube. Q cube. Now 27 Q cube. 27 Q cube. Now A cube is equal to 9 into 3 cube. 9 into 3 cube. Here 27 Q cube. Here we are writing 9 into 3 Q cube. That means 9 3s are 27 Q cube. Now A cube is equal to 9m, where m is equal to 3 cube. Where m is equal to 3 cube. 3 q cube. 3 q cube. So this is m. 9m. 9 into m. 9m. Now if r is equal to 0 completed, now we are taking condition 2 if r is equal to 1. If r is equal to 1. If r is equal to 1, that means A is equal to 3q plus r. A is equal to 3q plus r. A is equal to 3q plus r. Substitute r is equal to 1 in A is equal to 3q plus r. R is equal to 1. Substitute. R is equal to 1. Now cube on both sides. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. Here a is equal to 3 cube and b is equal to 1. A is equal to 3 cube and b is equal to 1. A plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube is equal to here writing a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. a plus b whole cube రూపంలో ఉంటుంది 3q plus 1 అనేది. Here a is equal to 3q, b is equal to 1. b is equal to 1. a plus b whole cube formula. a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. 3a b square. Now here a is equal to 3q whole cube. 3q whole cube plus b cube. b means 1 whole cube plus 3a square b. 3a means 3q, square means 3q whole square. And b into 1 plus 3ab square. 3ab square, that means 3a b square. b means here 1 square is equal to 3q whole cube. Already I explained 3q whole cube is equal to 3q whole cube is equal to 3q into 3q. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 cube plus 1 whole cube means 1 into 1 into 1. 1 into 1 1, again 1 into 1 1, so 1 plus 3 into 3q whole square. 3q whole square means 3q into 3q. 3q into 3q. That means 3 3s are 9. Q into q. Q square. Q into q. Q square. So 9q square. 9q square. And now 9q square into 1. 9q square into 1. 9q square. Plus 3 into 3q. 3 into 3q. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 into q. 9q. 9 into q. 9q. 1 into 1. 1 into 1. 1 into 1. 1 square means 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1. So 3 3s are 9. 9q. 9q. Okay. Now 27 2 cube plus here 3 9s are how much? 3 9s are 27 q square. Q square plus 9q. Last లో రాసండి 1 తీసుకెళ్ళి లాస్ట్ లో రాయండి plus 1. Now 27 q cube plus 27 q square q square plus 9q plus 1. Now here 3 common. 1 నుంచి 3 కామన్ చేయండి. లేకపోతే ఇంకో స్టెప్ ఎక్స్ట్రా రాయండి. 9 into okay, 27 cube is equal to 9 into 3 cube. Okay, next 27 q square means 9 into 3 q square. 9 3s are 27 q square plus 9 into q, 9 into q, 9q plus 1. Now here common 9 9 9 3 అట్లో ఈ 3 నుంచి 9 కామన్ చేయొచ్చు కదా. నైన్ కామన్ చేస్తున్నాం. 9 into 9 into 9 into. Now you are arranging is equal to, that means a cube is equal to 9 into 9 into 3q whole cube plus 9 common 3q whole square plus 9 common only cube. These three keep in the bracket. Now 9 into 3q square plus 9 into 3q cube plus 9 into 3q square plus 9 into cube. Yes, close bracket 1 is equal to 9m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus cube. Okay, now r is equal to 0 completed, r is equal to 1 also completed. Now we are taking r is equal to 2, r is equal to 2. Case 3, if r is equal to 3, r is equal to 3, now a is equal to 3q plus r. A is equal to 3q plus r. A is equal to 3q plus r. Substitute r is equal to 3 in a is equal to 3q plus r. Now a is equal to 3q plus, sorry, r is equal to 2. 3q plus 2. Cube on both sides. Cube on both sides. A cube is equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. It is in the form of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube formula already I explained. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Now here a is equal to 3q, b is equal to 2. Now apply the formula a plus b whole cube in 3q plus 2 whole cube. 3q plus 2 whole cube. Now a cube means 3q whole cube plus b cube plus b cube. B cube means 2 whole cube plus 3a square b 3a square b 3 a square. A means 3q, so 3q whole square, and b means 2. B means 2 plus 3ab square. 3ab square 3 into a means 3q, and b square 3a b square. B means 2 square. Now 3q whole cube. Already I explained 3q whole cube. 3q into 3q into 3q. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Q into q into q. Q cube 27 q cube. Plus 2 whole cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So 8 plus 3 into 3q whole square. 3q whole square. 3q whole square means 3q power 2. So right here 2 times 3q into 3q. 3q into 3q. 9q square. That means 3 3s are 9. Q into q, q square. 9q square. 9q square. Okay, next up 3 into 3q. 3 into 3q. 3 into 3q means 9q. Next up 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Now, shall I rub the board? This is a cube is equal to 27 q cube plus 8 plus 3 into 9q square. 3 into 9q square. 3 9s are 27 q square. 3 9s are 27 q square. 27 into 2. 27 into 2. 27 2s are 54. So 54 q square. 54 q square. 54 q square plus 9q into 4. 9q into 4. 9 4s are 36. 36 into q. 36 q. 36 q. Now 27 q cube is equal to 9 into 3 q cube. plus 54 q square is equal to 54 q square is equal to 9 into 6, 9 into 6 q square, 9 6 are 54 q square plus 36 q, 9 into 4q, 9 into 4q. Now 9 into 3q cube, 27q cube plus here right plus 8 last. Next 54q square is equal to 54 q square is equal to 9 6 are 54 q square plus 36 q is equal to 9 4s are 36 q. Now here write 8. Here 9 common. Okay. Now common 9. 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q plus 8. Now here 9 common, so 9 into 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q, here keep in the bracket now plus 8 plus 8. Now a cube is equal to 9m plus 8, 9m plus 8, where m is equal to where m is equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. Now it is in the form of 9m plus 8, 9m plus 8. From 1 to 3 cases, the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. From 1, 2 and 3, the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. From 1 to 3 cases, first case 1 is 9m, case 2 9m plus 1 and case 3 9m plus 8. From 1 to 3 cases we have the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, are you understand or not? This is practice in 2 times. Okay, we will meet in next class. Okay, thank you.